Hello there. Today I'll be talking to you about a very powerful and a very interesting time management tip, which is known as visual reminders. Now, as they say, out of sight is out of mind. And it happens to us so often that we decide to do something and we also add it to our schedule, but somehow either it slips our mind or we tend to procrastinate. To avoid that, a very simple but a very effective and a powerful method is to have visual reminders. Something that actually visually reminds you about the work that you have to do. The one thing that you can do is once you have made a schedule for yourself, you can write it down or print it out and put it in front of you, in front of your work desk, on a board in your room, or wherever that you see it. This way, you'll keep looking at it and it'll become a part of your subconscious thinking. You will know that there is a schedule to be achieved and you will not plan anything else in the time that you have scheduled some work. In case you're planning to study a subject, you can keep the book on the table where you can see it, so that as soon as you start your day or as soon as you sit down to study, you know that this is the subject that you have to study. Although we do remember, but sometimes there might be a diversion. To prevent that, the book kept on the table will act as a very powerful visual reminder. If you're planning to work on a PPT or maybe a Word document, save it on the desktop of your device, your computer, your laptop, or your desktop computer, so that the moment you log in or you put on your device, you see that, okay, this is what I have to work on, because you will have other things to do. But every time you look at this, the icon that is saved on your desktop, you will know that you have something to work on. It acts as a constant self-reminder to you. If you're planning to go for a run, have your running dress and your running shoes on a hanger, right on, in front of you, maybe on the door of your cupboard or somewhere that you will see it as soon as you wake up, so that you're reminded that I have to go for a run. Now, this might be a very, simple thing to look at, but believe me, the power of self-suggestion and the power of visual reminder, it works at a very basic level with your subconscious mind, and your mind starts preparing you in that direction, and the chances of you doing that thing and not dropping it or procrastinating it is much higher. So do try it, depending on what goal you have and depending on what schedule you have made, start working on having some kind of a visual reminder for you and see how effective it is. All the best, and thank you for watching.